The following are standard terms we use on deck. Starboard side is the right-hand side of a ship, if you are looking forward towards the bow. Port side is the left-hand side of a ship, if you are looking forward towards the bow. A deck crane is a lifting device fitted to the ship for handling cargo hoses or supplies. The railing is a fence made of bars, a safety barrier at the edge of the deck. The gangway is a ramp or set of stairs used for boarding or leaving the ship. A scupper is an opening to allow water to flow off deck. The forecastle is the raised structure at the forward part of the ship. It is a mooring station used for housing windlass machinery and a storeroom. A mooring winch is a machine used on deck for securing and adjusting the tightness of mooring lines. A forward spring is the mooring line at the forward part of the ship, pointing diagonally and aft. A forward breast is the mooring line at the forward part of the ship, pointing at right angles. A headline is a mooring line at the forward part of the vessel, pointing ahead. An aft spring is the mooring line at the aft part of the ship, pointing diagonally and forward. An aft breast is the mooring line at the aft part of the ship, pointing at right angles. A stern line is the mooring line at the aft part of the ship, pointing aft. Bitts and bollards are cylindrical-shaped posts, pillars, fixed onto the ship. They are used to tie up or change the direction of the mooring lines. The windlass is a machine used on deck for lifting and lowering the anchor chain. The anchor chain is a heavy chain attached to the anchor. Its weight helps the anchor hold the ship in position. The poop deck is the deck situated at the aft of the ship. A lifeboat is a small motor-driven boat carried on board a ship for use in an emergency situation. A life raft is a small rigid or inflatable survival craft carried on board a ship for use in an emergency situation. Air vents are pipes to let air escape when filling a tank, or air to get into the tank when you are emptying it. The funnel is the large exhaust pipe for the ship's engine room machinery. Accommodation is the spaces on board the ship set apart for the crew and officers.